Hello folks, want to become a data analyst? Then stop using random charts in Excel right now because most beginners don't know when to use which chart and it leads to poor analysis. So in this video, I gonna show you 5 powerful chart every beginner must know, and once you understand this, your analysis will look more professional. Now practice along with me. The practice file link is given in the description. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's jump in and see everything practically step by step. On the screen, I have taken one sales data set having multiple columns. Now let me ask you a simple question. If you want to get insight from this data set, just by looking at the data, it is not possible. So what you need to do is, you need to create the chart. Yes, just by creating the chart, you will able to get the insight easily. The insight can be like region wise total sales amount, or which salesperson is making highest profit, which product is performing better. So such type of insight is possible with the help of chart. Now let's see the first chart, which is column chart. If you want to compare multiple categories side by side, the column chart is perfect. I hope you got it right. Now this is a simple example of column chart. The bars of the column chart are vertical. Now let's see one real life example by which you will understand the column chart easily. So look at here guys, which product is generating the highest sale. So based on the data set, we need to find which product is generating the highest sale. So let's create the pivot chart. It is very simple. Select the data, press Ctrl A on keyboard. The data will be selected. Now go to Insert tab. Now under Insert tab, there is one option which is pivot chart. I think it is visible. At the center, we have pivot chart. Simply you need to click on this option. Now click on pivot chart. Now you will get one pop-up, create pivot chart. Choose the data that you want to analyze. Our table range is selected already. Choose where you want the pivot chart to be placed. I want to insert this pivot chart in existing worksheet. Simply click on existing worksheet. Now give the location. I will go to column chart sheet. I will select this cell. Now once you click OK, you will get the pivot table and pivot chart. Now look here guys. At the right side you have the pivot chart field. I hope it is visible. Let me adjust my camera so that you can see the screen clearly. Now look here, this is the pivot chart. Let me adjust it here. Now first let's understand the question. The question is, which product is generating the highest sale? So basically we want product wise sales amount. So what you need to do is simply drag the product column. Look here. First let me show you. This is the pivot table field where you can observe these are all the columns available, which are order ID, order date, region and lot more. In the same way, below we have the section where the section is divided in 4 partition: filter, legend, axis, value. So basically it is a pivot chart. If I click on pivot table, you will get filter. Let me show you guys. You will get here filter, column, rows and value. If you guys want to learn pivot table from basics to advanced level, I had already uploaded one video. The link is given in the description. You can check it out. Now let's see the example, which product is generating the highest sale. So what you can do is just to drag the product inside the row, you will get the product. In the same way, drag the sales inside the value. Wow, look at here guys. Now you will get the pivot table as well as pivot chart. Now this is a column chart. By default, it will show you the column chart. Now if you observe carefully inside the column chart, you can compare multiple categories side by side. These are the categories which are keyboard, laptop, monitor, phone and tablet, and these are the data labels available. Now if you look at the bars, so look here guys, the monitor is having the highest sale. I hope it is visible, right? So basically just by creating the column chart, you can easily compare multiple categories side by side. The monitor is having the highest sale, and if you observe carefully, the laptop is having the lowest sale. So basically with the help of column chart, we can easily say monitor is having the highest sale. So this is the power of column chart by which you can compare multiple categories side by side. I hope you got it right. If you understood, do like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any query, do write in the comment section. Now moving to the next chart, which is bar chart. It is used when you want to rank the item. It is just like the column chart, but whereas in bar chart the bars are in horizontal way, but in case of column chart the bars are in vertical. This is only difference between bar chart and column chart, but the bar chart is better if you want to give ranking. Now let's see the question. The question is very simple. Who are the top 2 salesperson? So basically we need to find top 2 salesperson. Now what you can do is just to go to the data set. Now the data range is already selected. Click on insert. Now click on pivot chart. You will get the pop-up. Now from here you need to click on this existing worksheet. Now give the location. Go to bar chart. Click any one of the cell. Now click OK. Now once you click, you will get the pivot table and pivot chart. Now based on the question, look here guys. Who are the top 2 salesperson? So basically we need to find top 2 salesperson. So what you can do is just to drag the salesperson inside the axis. You can simply drag salesperson in axis. In the same way, drag the sales inside the value. Now you will see one pivot table, and by default the Excel will generate the column chart. But in my case I want bar chart. It is very simple. You can change this column chart to bar chart. Go to design tab. Now under design tab there is one option which is change the chart type. So once you click on this option, you will get one dialog box. From here you can see several options are available. Right now it is a column chart, right? Now I want to generate the bar chart. Simply click on bar chart. From here you will get different bar charts available. So simply I will go with this cluster bar chart. Now look here guys. Once you click OK, wow, look here. You will get the bar chart, right? Now let me delete this all. Delete, remove the grid lines, and on the data labels. From here you can on the data label. If you don't want to show this salesperson and sum of sales, simply right click on this, and from here you can click on hide all field buttons on this chart. Now you will see the bar chart completely. If you don't want to show this number, you can simply select and delete. If you want to change the color of the bar, it is very simple. Select the bar, go to home tab. From here you can select any one of the color. I will select this orange color. I think the chart is looking perfect, right? Let me adjust the size. Okay, now let's see the question. Who are the top 2 salesperson? So basically we need to find top 2 salesperson. We need to give the ranking. It is very simple. Click on this filter icon. Now from here you need to click on more sort option. So once you click, you will get one pop-up. Now click on ascending. Now from here you can click on this option sum of sales. Now once you click OK, wow, look at here guys. Now the pivot table is sorted in ascending wise based on the sales amount. In the same way, if you observe carefully this bar chart, now you can easily say that the top 2 salesperson are Amit and Karan. This is how you can get the insight from the bar chart easily. So basically the bar chart is used for ranking. I hope you got it right. So this is the power of bar chart. Now in the same way, moving to the next chart, which is pie chart. So look at here guys. If you want to show contribution for each category, or you can say percentage share, you can take help of pie chart. Let's see one example. Which region contribute the most to the total sales? So basically we need to find region wise total contribution to the total sales amount. It is very simple. Go to the data set, click on insert. Now click on pivot chart. You will get the pop-up. Now from here click on the existing worksheet. Now give the location bar chart, pie chart. Now from here let me adjust. Okay. Select this cell. Once you click OK, you will get the pivot table and pivot chart, right? Now look at here guys. Let me zoom out. Now what is the question? Which region contribute the most to the total sales? So basically we need to find region wise total sales contribution. It is very simple. Drag the region column inside the axis. You will get the region. In the same way, drag the sales inside the value. Now you will get one pivot table which is region wise sales amount. Now by default the Excel will show you the column chart. Now I want to switch to pie chart. It is very simple. Click on design. Now from here you can change the chart type. Now look here guys, this is the pie chart. So once you click, you will get several options of pie chart. Now right now I will click on this pie chart. This is very important. Once you click, wow, look here guys. Now you will see the pie chart, right? Now delete this. In the same way you can hide all the field button. Now here you can observe you will not able to see the percentage values. Simply you need to click on this option. From here you need to on the data label. Let me zoom in. So this is the data label, but the data labels are inside this pie chart. So what you can do is just expand this option. From here you can click on more option. So once you click on more option, you will get format data label. Now look at here guys. From here I want to show the percentage also. So what you can do is simply click on percentage. Now you will get the percentage as well as total sales amount. In the same way, if you want to keep it outside, you can simply click on this option outside end. If you want to give formatting for the data label, click on the data label. Now under home tab, let me make it bold. Now I want to increase the size so that it will be visible. I think now it is visible, right? Let me adjust the size of this pie chart. Now look at here guys. Let me show you. I will fill the color. I will fill any one of the color. I will fill this black color. Now from here I will change the font color to white. So guys, this is a pie chart. Let's see the question. Which region contribute the most to total sales? We need to find which region is contributing more. So what you can do is look at the screen carefully. So if you notice carefully, these are the two regions contributing 26%. Next we have 25% and 23%. If you observe carefully, these are the legend. Now from this legend, the blue color is west region and the orange color is north region. We need to find the most, right? Means which region is contributing most. If you observe carefully, these are the two region, which is west region and north region, right? Now inside this two region, total contribution is 26%. But look at the sum of sales value. Now if you notice carefully, this is the region which is contributing most. This region is west region, sorry. So this is the west region which is contributing most. So this is how you can take help of pie chart in order to show the contribution of each category. Either you can show the numeric value or you can show the percentage share. I hope you guys understood, right? So this is how with the help of pie chart we can easily say that west region is contributing most to the total sales. Now moving to the next chart, which is the line chart. It is used if you want to analyze the data over period of time. Basically, if you want to find the sales trend, you can take help of line chart. This is a simple chart I have taken. This is a line chart. Now let's see the question by which you will understand easily. How are sales changing over time? So basically we need to find the sales changing over particular time. Like either it can be month wise, quarter wise or year wise. It is very simple. Go to the data set. Now click on insert. Now click on pivot chart. Now you will get one dialog box. Click on existing worksheet. I hope you know already, right? All these steps. Now go to line chart. Select this location. Let me adjust this 1 second. I will select this location. Once you click OK, you will get the pivot table and pivot chart. Now what is the question? How are sales changing over time? So basically we need to find the sales trend. It is very simple. Drag the order date inside the row. Once you drag, you will get the date hierarchy. Here you can notice you will get years, quarter, month and order date. I will explain each and everything step by step. Just to look at the screen. Now I want according to sales. Just to drag and drop sales. Now you will get the pivot table and pivot chart. This pivot table show 3 years of record 2024, 25 and 26. Let's suppose if I expand this, you will see the quarter wise, right? Basically it is the date hierarchy. So first let me change the chart. I will go to design. From here I will change the line chart. I will simply click on this line chart. I will select any one of the line chart. I will select this line chart. Now look at here guys. Once I click OK, now you will get the line chart, right? Let me delete this total. From here delete the total. Remove the grid lines. If you don't want to show this all, hide all the field button. Now if you don't want to show this also, you can delete it. Now look at here guys. I will simply click on data label. Now this line chart will show you the year wise trend. If you notice carefully, from 2024 to 25, the line is increasing. Next from 2000 to 25, it is decreasing. So basically with the help of line chart, you can easily analyze the data over period of time. Now let's suppose, let me remove the year from me. Look here guys. I will remove the year from this axis. So once you remove, you will get the quarter wise sales trend. You can observe this is the quarter wise. Now I want according to month wise, I will simply remove the quarters. Now look at here guys, you will get month wise sales amount, right? So basically with the help of line chart, you can easily find the trend of your data. If you observe carefully, January, February, March, and if you notice carefully, the May month is having the highest sale. Means it is a peak month where you can see the highest sale. In the same way, this is the November month which is having the least sale. In the same way, let's suppose you want according to each date, you can simply remove the month from this. Now once you remove, oh no, look at here guys. Now the chart is looking clumsy. It will show you the line chart for each date from 1st January 2024 to, here you can notice, 7th September 2026. The line chart is not looking proper for each date. So what you can do is simply select the month here and just rearrange them, order date, bring below the month. Now you will get month wise, right? In the same way you can select quarter and year. So friends, moving to the last chart, which is the area chart. It is just like the line chart. If you observe carefully, the line chart is showing the lines, right? But whereas in the area chart, it will show you the volume. So what actually the area chart will show? It will show you the trend with volume. Let's see one example, then you will be clear. How is total sales volume growing over a period of time? So we need to find sales growing over a period of time. Simply you need to create one pivot chart, go to insert tab, now click on pivot chart, click on existing worksheet, now give the location. I will give this location, look at here guys, okay. So once you click, you will get the pivot table and pivot chart. In the same way, repeat for this area chart, select this order date. Now let me select this order date, just drag and drop it. Now if you observe carefully, you will get again the date hierarchy, right? Now drag the sales inside the value. So once you drag, now by default it will show you the column chart. First let's change the chart. Click on change chart type. From here I will click on this area chart. Okay. Now I will select this area chart. So once I select, let me click on OK. Now you will get this area chart, right? Now look at here guys. Let me remove this grid line. Let me hide all the field buttons. If you don't want to show this value, you can delete. Now from here you can on the data labels. Now this is a area chart. I want to change the color. It is very simple. Under design tab there is one option which is change color. From here you can change the color. I will select this orange color. Now look at here guys. In this way you can change the color. I want to give some formatting to the data label. Let us change the color. I will change this color. Okay. This color is looking perfect. Right. Now look here guys. Let me increase the size. Now this is a area chart where you can see the trend with volume. The sales are changing over a period of time, right? Now what I will do, I will simply remove the year. Now you will see according to quarter wise. In the same way, remove the quarter, you will see the month wise, right? So this is the use of area chart. So friends, with this we have completed all the 5 important charts. If you are a beginner, then you need to understand the charts carefully. You need to practice along with me, because when you practice only you will improve. I hope you will practice, right? So we have seen the column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart and area chart. These all charts are very important. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.